You ready? You right there. You ready? Here we go. What's up? How you doing on a Friday? And those of you that know me know what I love to do on a Friday. So, what is going on a Friday when the market is in the green? Interesting, don't you think? I think so. The market is in the green on a Friday. The Dow Jones taking back almost all of those losses in a period of a couple days. They're up over 100 points yesterday, up over 150 points right now. And the NASDAQ up over 48 points. The S&P 500 up 19 points. Now, what do you think I might have just ventured into today? There's so many different companies I could have invested into today. Which one do you think I decided to buy today? Well, let's just say that I've had my eye on the Fab 15 for a while. And I've had my eye. I've been dating this stock since September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. For 9 months we were dating. And finally I popped the question today. May 19th, 2017. The day that I popped the question. Now the question is, out of the sea of companies in the NASDAQ, up currently 46 points, the Dow up 155, and the S&P up 19. Out of all the companies in all the different industries, in all the different indexes, which one do you think I decided to put my trust in, my money into? Who do you think could potentially have me whistling down the road? I mean, who would have me whistling down the road? I mean, who could I have possibly be interested in buying in the sea of companies that are up there? I mean, there's so many out there. My goodness, there's so many companies out there. Who could I have possibly bought in the sea of green on a Friday? Now, I know what you guys like to do on Fridays, especially when things are in the green. Got me whistling down the road, thinking of greener pastures. It's true. It's got me even hungry. Got me thinking of chicken dinners. Future chicken dinners. Now, I'm going to share with you guys why I decided to pop the question and buy one stock today out of the sea of companies that I could have bought. And believe me, there's many that I want. Right? Just in the Fab 15. But I decided to get one. One special company that I've had my eye on for oh so long. And after almost, we're almost at a year almost. 3/4 of a year. I had to pop the question. Now, I didn't get too much of it. I didn't go crazy. Just got a small position, 400 shares. It's at $2.49. Does anybody know what company I'm talking about? Because today I had to pop the question. It put a little spring in my step. It's true. Put a little spring in my step. Got me thinking of greener pastures on a Friday when everything is in the green. Let's just try to refresh this. I want to make sure we are up to date. 100%. We want to be up to date. What is going on in the markets right now, live on Rich TV Live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy? YouTube, you are one of the tools of the gods. After all, you are Google, which is the tools of the gods. Google, God, almost, close enough. Now, the question is, what could I have possibly bought on a Friday? When I tell you I don't like to buy stocks on a Friday, but I just had to buy a stock. Do you guys know who I am referring to? Out of all the companies out there in the market right now, who could I have possibly wanted to buy? On a Friday, let's see what's going on in the markets, shall we? I don't know about you guys, but we gotta see what's up. We gotta see what's down. Where is it? Right here. Let that just load. In the meantime, I've been dating this company for a long time, and it's like one of those things where it's like, one of those relationships where you just you knew that it was like, you knew that it was gonna happen sometime. You just didn't know when you were gonna be able to pop the question, when it was gonna all come together, But it's just like when it does, it's like magical. Now, ABCN, I love you, ABCN. I got in at 88 cents. Earlier this week, went up to 95. Look at this. All the way to 95. But then, it came back down, shedding all the tears with all the greener pastures. Now we're up 3%, ABCN. I'm happy. We're still up from 88 to 92. We were at 95. But like I told you guys, the investors that got in early are in at 80 cents. So anytime it's over 80, if it gets to 90, 95, a dollar, there's an opportunity there to hit the sell button. It's true. But once all the selling is gone, what's going to happen then? Will we see greener pastures for ABCN? Now, what could possibly be the stock that I bought today? If it wasn't ABCN, one that I already own, what could it possibly be? Is it VNCE? It's up 38%. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't see it. Make sure you guys can see it clearly. Is it VNCE? After all, it's up 39%. And it's traded 4 million shares. And it is a New York Stock Exchange company at 45 cents. Now, would you want to put that company on your radar? After all, would you be interested on dating the stock and putting it on your watch list? If so, I'll give you the opportunity right now to do so. Maybe in the meantime, since it's a Friday, you can listen to a little bit of Thump and Jump. I mean, it is up 36.9%. Ooh, yeah. I don't know about you guys, but do you like Vince Holding Corp? Have you ever heard of it before now? Live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy. It's true. I told you, it's one of the tools of the gods. Thank you. It's true. Now, there possibly could be others that I'm watching. I mean, after all, if you're not winning, you must not be watching. Now, what else could possibly be up and could possibly be getting your attention on a fabulous Friday when the markets are in the green and they're going, it's true. What could possibly be up? Is there anything else? Do you guys know anything else in the room that could possibly be up? I mean, I know they call me Rich Tradamus. So I am aware that I have other winners. And I know you guys know that I know how to find those winners. And they're up these sleeves somewhere. Now, could I possibly have more? Is it true? Or would you, the people that are watching, the great people at home, the subscribers, the viewers, the watchers, the trolls, all of you at home, could you possibly be winning? And if you're winning, the question is, who's watching? That's the question going into the weekend. I mean, what are you going to do on the weekend? Seriously, like, what are you going to do? Like, what are your plans? It's a Friday. What are you going to do? You don't got stocks. Those are closed till Monday, people. So what are you going to do? My goodness. It's a serious dilemma. Now, would you, the people, be interested in finding more winners? Or would you, the people, like to right now find out who I decided to invest into today and dig deeper and find out why I personally decided to buy a stock today? And it's a marijuana stock, it's true, and it's in the Fab 15. It's true. Now, this is just my first of many investments into this company. I believe in the future because I really love this company. And I think they have some incredible potential. So I want to share that with you, the people. and give you something to think about. Because after all, what are you going to do on the weekend other than watch Rich TV Live? Or go to richtvlive.com or download the app and join the conversation. We're talking about cryptocurrencies, futures trading, equities trading, penny stocks, the Fab 15, marijuana stocks, NASDAQ stocks. It's true. It's a Friday. Do you guys need to wake up? Do you guys need another winner? Would you like me to give you another winner on a fabulous Friday? Because I do have more winners. In fact, let me just put these winners in here first. I mean, what are we talking about today? We're talking about marijuana stocks. Yeah, we're talking about which stock I personally bought, right? And then what else are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about Fab 15. What else? We're going to talk about, obviously, VNCE. VNCE is on fire. ABCN is up. ABCN, we'll talk about them too. And how about this one? INSG. Ooh, yeah. Up 23%. Traded just under 1 million shares. It's another winner on the NASDAQ at $1.27. Let me just add it to the list. INSG. Another winner on a fabulous Friday when the entire market is in the green. And doesn't the stock market being in the green make you just want to do something? I mean, what does it make you want to do on a Friday? Because on a Friday, you know that the next thing is a Saturday. And we love Saturdays. And you know what's coming next after a Saturday is Sunday. And you know how much we love Sunday. And then comes Monday. And isn't Monday the most favorite day of the week? Don't we love Monday? Monday's fun day. So we love Friday. We've established that. Now the question is, what else could possibly be up? I mean, I'm asking you, the people, if you're not winning, you're not watching, and you, the people, you have the power with your own eyes to find the prize. And my question to you, the people in the room, is what is winning today on a Friday that I haven't personally, as Rich Stradamus, identified for you, the people? That's my question to you. If you're watching, my question is, what are you watching that is up more than 23% right now, today, on a fabulous Friday, where the markets are in the green, and you know how much we love the green. Now, what stock could I have possibly bought today? I mean, what stock has just got me thinking I had to just pop the question today on a fabulous Friday, and it's in the Fab 15? I mean, there's 15 companies in there, and you know I love them all. I just love some more than others. And And you're allowed to love as many as you want in the stock market. So you know, there are more winners, believe it or not, and I can identify them for you guys now, live, on Rich TV Live, if you would like. But if you want to get interactive, I can give you a little bit of credit too, and you guys can find me some winners too. And I know it's Friday. And I know some of you like to actually call this something that rhymes with Friday. Now, there's a lot of women and children and men and adults that like marijuana that watch the show, and there's a lot that don't like marijuana that watch the show, and that is totally fine, and we respect everybody here on Rich TV Live. We do not discriminate. But those of you like Kenny Lee that right now are partaking in medical marijuana participation, let's call it that, for all the viewers that are watching all across the globe, I say to you, happy medicating day, my friend. Happy medicating day, my friend. It's true. So, for everybody that is looking for winners, we've already identified that this is the place to be if you, the people, want to find the winners. Now, my question to you is, do you guys have any winners you can give me? Because if you guys have winners, I like to know so that I can buy them. And I will personally buy them. It's true. I will personally buy the winners if you can find them. Now, my question is, can you find them? And the other question is, what are they? Where are they? How do I find them? How do I identify them? How do I research them? How can I participate in being successful like you? After all, aren't we all connected, and why can't we all share the tools of the gods together? And if I have tools like cryptocurrencies that I'm starting to learn about, and I'm going to be able to start bringing to you the people, then, hey, why not? Right? Why not bring you the people more opportunities to have the tools of the gods? Now, you're probably asking, did I buy cryptocurrencies today? And the answer is no, I did not. But our very own Mr. Kitam is now venturing into purchasing cryptocurrencies, and he is the leader, as far as Rich TV Live is concerned, in cryptocurrencies. So if you, the people, would like to know about cryptocurrencies, you need to contact Mr. Kitam. And Mr. Kitam will be your go-to guy for cryptocurrencies. It's true, Rich TV Live is getting into cryptocurrencies. Now, I haven't bought any cryptocurrencies yet, but when I do, I will let you guys know. In the meantime, if you have some cryptocurrencies that you are buying, let us know which cryptocurrencies you are buying. This is a new world that we are venturing into, people. A world of cryptocurrencies. And we're very excited. Oh, so very excited to be a part of this industry. In fact, we believe this industry is the future. We believe this industry is the future, and there are people making money hand over fist buying cryptocurrencies. So why don't we? We want to be in the cutting edge of everything and anything that is legal, that is happening, and we will do it live in real time for you, the people that are watching all across the globe. And we love all of you, all the subscribers from all across the globe, and we will continue to bring you, the people, the winners. That is our modus operandi, is to bring you the winners in real time. We don't care if they are penny stocks, if they are NASDAQ stocks, if they are cryptocurrencies. We know that those streets are evil. We want to follow the light. And we believe here all the people are connected. And we're going to help each other win and identify winners every single day. Like INSG, that is up 23% on the NASDAQ at $1.27. Now, if you're not winning, you're simply not watching, and that is okay. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let me know which stocks you are watching that are winning more than 23%, winning more than 34%, winning more than 3.4% like ABCN, which I just bought this week at 88 cents. Which stocks are you buying? Which stocks are you watching that are winning? Which cryptocurrencies are you watching? Which cryptocurrencies are you buying that are winning? We have an alert on a cryptocurrency. Mr. Katam, if you are watching, bring us your alert on your cryptocurrency. Mr. Katam, bring us your alert on your cryptocurrency. If anybody knows the symbol or the name of Mr. Katam's cryptocurrency, please, we would like to know. This is vital information. And we love to find the winners, and we love to follow the winners. So if anybody knows what is the name of the cryptocurrency that Mr. Katam has announced in the app that he is purchasing, please, let's share it live for you, the people, to have the tools of the gods. After all, Rich TV Live is strictly for entertainment and education purposes, but we want to share with you the tools of the gods. We want to bring you guys things so fast, so soon, that we are 50 years ahead of our time. But it's okay, because one day, when the world catches up, you will see the returns. ABCN, we know you're a winner with a $2.25 price target from PI Financial, and I got into 88 cents. I think it's a winner. I don't know about you guys. If you guys are watching any other winners, please let me know so I can share it with you, the people. After all, Rich TV Live, we are a show about you, the people. You, the people, have spoken. You want freedom, and you deserve it. And you're going to get it. Whether it's cryptocurrencies, marijuana stocks, or it's futures trading. We're ahead of the curve. We're ahead of the times. So if you want to get rich, you need to join our team. We're going places. And you can be a part of it. Send me your videos. Let me know who you're buying. I'm going to let you guys know today live who I'm buying. just not going to let you know just right now. It's true. Now my question to you guys is if you guys have any winners, please share it with the Rich TV Live community so that we can do the research this weekend and we can find winners together. Because as a team, everyone achieves more. So let's work together, shall we? It's true. Oh my goodness. What are you guys doing on a Friday right now? What is keeping you occupied? What is keeping you occupied on a Friday? I would like to know. What is keeping you guys occupied on a Friday? Seriously. I would love to know, people. Please, let us know what is keeping you, the people, occupied on a Friday. Please share. Share with me. Share as a community. I would love to see you guys share. And you know what I'll do is if you share with me, then I'll share with you. But if you guys don't share with me, I'm not going to be as motivated to share my secrets, my tools of the gods with you, the people. I need to feel like you guys are sharing the winners with me. I mean, how great would it be if you could identify a winner before me? Is it possible that you be a better trader than me? My answer is yes. Like I said, Rich TV Live is strictly for entertainment and education purposes. Yes, I am buying stocks every day. Yes, I am winning. It is true. But sometimes the stocks go down too, and sometimes I lose too. I have a strategy for that. I accumulate my wealth. So when the stocks go down, I just buy more. So it's vital that you're buying good companies. Companies that you like. Companies that you love. Companies that you believe in. ABCN, I believe in you. Now, what else could I have possibly bought today that I believe in? I've talked about VNCE, which is up 34%. I've talked about INSG, which is up 20.9%. And right now, I'm going to let you know once again about GLYC, up an incredible 16% after being up an incredible amount yesterday. Rewind the dates, and you will find that I called this winner yesterday, and it was at $10 when I called it. It went to $11. Now it's at $12.37, up 15.9% now today again, after being up yesterday, and after I alerted to you, the people, yesterday. It's true. So, I don't know what to say. All I know is just keep bringing these winners. It's getting me hungry. Thinking about chicken dinners. Thinking about, like, turkey. Definitely thinking about the beach. I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely thinking about the beach. And I know the freak, the travel freak himself, is going back to the beach. I gotta just join him soon. Because, man, it's just not the same. Like, Vancouver's a beautiful city. Don't get me wrong. I don't know if you guys seen any of the videos. I'll show you guys something later, but, man, like, it just ain't the Dominican Republic. It's just not the same. It's not the same. But GLYC, ooh, yeah, look at this move. Whoop, right up, and then it came tumbling down. Then it climbed back up, and up some more. Then it came back down. GLYC. Is that creating a buying opportunity right here? Just shooting up a little bit on a Friday. I mean, what could rhyme with a Friday? I mean, what could rhyme with a Friday? I'll let you guys admire this winner. Because if you're not winning, I'm pretty sure you guys can finish my sentences at this point. If you're not winning, you're not getting chicken dinner. And if you're not winning, you're definitely not getting no turkey. And if you're not winning, then you're probably getting rice and beans. So if you're not winning, what you need to simply do is you have to hit that subscribe button. And you have to visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like down below and comment on the show. Because like I said, all I do is bring you guys chicken dinner. And who else puts chicken dinner on the table other than Rich? Right? Right. So, believe it or not, as Rich Stradamus, it is my responsibility, it is my duty to bring you, the people, winners and chicken dinners 24/7. So that is what I focus on. That is what I try to do, okay? Because of that, I have another winner. It's true. Are you ready to see another winner? Are you ready for chicken dinner? Get ready. Here we go. Call me Bird Brains if you want. Go ahead. Sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. Sometimes I draw. But I never quit. Accumulate wealth. Buy stocks, buy real estate, buy cryptocurrencies. Invest in you. Don't invest in drugs. Don't invest in bad habits. Don't invest in anything that hurts anybody else. We are all humans. It doesn't matter what color you are, what country you come from, what language you speak, what religion you are. We are all connected. We're all on this earth together. Let's save the world. Let's save the earth. Let's work together and let's find winners together. Because as a team, together, everyone will achieve more. It's true. That's my modus operandi here on Rich TV Live, and after all, I'm rich. Now, what makes me rich other than my name? You, the people. You, the people, you make me rich. You fill me with hope. You fill me with love. And you also fill me with judgment, which is good. It's good. I like judgment too. Judgment is good. Judgment is good. At times, judgment is good. Because I myself, I need to improve. I need to get better. Every day I am learning. And I am a student myself. I'm a student of life. And as a student of life, I've learned that there's highs, and I've learned that there's lows. And I've learned in the stock market that there's trends. And if you follow these trends, you can win. And if you learn to think like a robot and act like a robot, which is difficult when you're a human being, you can win. And if you learn to accumulate wealth, you can win. You got to be strategic. You got to do it smart. Once in a while you will lose, but a lot of times you will win. And if you get really good at it and you follow the big mo and you have a strategy, you usually will win. Sometimes you have to wait. My strategy is more long term. Sometimes I have to wait a few days, a few hours, a few minutes. Sometimes I have to wait a few weeks, a few months, a few years. But as long as I'm investing in good long-term companies that I believe in my heart, in my gut, are undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed, and have a future, have potential to one day be a real player, to one day explode, to one day be a monster, then I believe in my heart of hearts that I am winning. And what I do is I accumulate stocks instead of accumulating bad habits. So when other people are accumulating bad habits and they're spending their money, I'm investing in stocks. I'm investing in stocks. I'm investing in real estate. I'm investing in businesses consistently. They're not all going to win. Some of them are going to fail. But unless you actually take shots in life, you will never win. Even coming on YouTube, that was a shot. Not everybody wants to put their face on YouTube every single day, 24 hours a day. Some days you don't want to be on YouTube. Some days you don't want to be on television. Some days you don't want to be in front of people. You're human. We are humans. That's okay. But here on Rich TV Live, I feel like it's my obligation to you, the people, to continue to bring you the winners. But not just winners. Also chicken dinners. And turkeys. And if you know me, you probably know you're always welcome. And if I'm around, we can always go out and get ourselves some chicken dinner or even turkey. Now, if you love seafood like I do, and I am Portuguese after all, I mean, you guys do see the flag, right? I mean, if you haven't figured it out yet. Yes, it's true. So, I am Portuguese. And, you know, being Portuguese and all, I like seafood. I like seafood a lot. In fact, my favorite food is octopus. Weird, right? Yeah, I know. But I love octopus, and my kids love octopus. And octopus is just so delicious. But a lot of people think that that would be an episode of Fear Factor for them. But for me, I'll take the octopus and I'll take those tentacles, and I just love it. So, you know, everybody's different, but at the end of the day, we're all connected. So it doesn't matter how different we are. We're all connected, and we can all share the tools of the gods. And here on Level 2, I'm sharing with you guys live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy. I'm sharing with you guys live winners that are going up and down every day. And I'm going to continue to. And we are going to get better. And we have a lot of tricks up our sleeves. I mean, as Rich Stradamus, it is my responsibility. It is my duty to continue to bring you guys winners. And I will. I take it extremely serious. So what could be the next winner, you ask? How about this? DYN. Dynergy. 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 It's at $9.11. Can you believe it? It says 9/11. What is that signaling? 9/11? As we speak, the Bitcoin rally extends to $1,900. Bitcoin is on fire at 1,900 as we speak. DYN up 25%. Traded 26 million shares. Oh, we're at 910. 9/11. DYN. Another winner. Another day we don't have to eat rice and beans. We can actually have chicken dinner. Maybe even some turkey. It's true. I mean, it's Friday after all. I don't know about you guys, but I love me some Maui ribs. You guys like Maui ribs? Love Maui ribs. Love them. I don't know if you guys have tried them before. The bomb. So, it's come that time where I reveal to you the loyal followers, subscribers, viewers, listeners, watchers all around the globe who I bought today. It's true. We're going to start dating right now, me and you, DYN. Just so I'm going to open up one of my buttons here. Make sure I look good for her. Since we started dating. Thought, you know. Give me some luck. You know what I mean? A little bit of luck. So, what could I have possibly bought today out of all these winners? Well, none other than Are you ready? We need some special music for this. This is called the Angel of Mercy. Are you ready to know who little old Portuguese guy named Rich, who I decided to buy today, 400 shares worth at $2.49. Was it a good buy? Was it a bad buy? We're going to find out soon. Who do you think I bought? It's in the Fab 50. A licensed producer in the Fab 50 that I just love, and I'm going to tell you guys right now. You ready? You guys ready? You ready? Oh! Boom, boom, boom! Aurora Cannabis. It's true. Aurora, we've been dating for a while, but no longer are we dating, Aurora. I sat patiently today with 400 shares on the bid, sat on the bid at $2.49. Sat there and sat there. Waited for over half an hour for you, Aurora. Waited for you to call. And you called. Wow. And I popped the question. My goodness. How good does it feel to snipe me some Aurora Cannabis? It's not a lot. I mean, it's 400 shares. It's $1,000 worth, but it's a start. And she is now officially mine. Aurora Cannabis, I am in love with you now. I love you, Aurora Cannabis. I love me some Aurora Cannabis. Now, why do I love Aurora Cannabis? Why did I buy Aurora Cannabis? You ask. Why did I buy ACB in Canada and ACBFF in America? Why did I buy Aurora Cannabis, you ask? Well, I just had to. I had to. It's too good of a company not to. Let me show you guys why. I have proof and I have reasons. Now, once again, I do not agree with bar chart on this. Look at this, guys. Isn't this crazy? Bar chart does not agree with me. Bar chart and I are not getting along lately, and she does not agree with me. Now, bar chart gives Aurora Cannabis a 24% sell with the weakest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Bar chart. Let's have a one-to-one right now, okay?
And now you've got yourself something funky.
Why? Why, bar chart? Why don't you like Aurora Cannabis? What is there not to like about this company? I'm going to show you guys the evidence why I bought it. You guys ready? I don't know if you guys have bought it yet, but man, am I happy with the stock that I bought today. I believe that long term, this is going to be a big winner. But even in the short term, let's look at their performance. Now, in the last 3 months, the lowest this stock has been is $2.23. The highest, and I bought it today at $2.49. Could have got a little bit lower. That's why I didn't go too big. I could buy more, and I will. This was my first start. But this is why I bought it. This is where I'm buying it. This is the lowest it's been in 3 months. This is where I bought it. This is the highest it's been in 3 months, which is a price of $3.50. So it's been as high as $3.50 in the last 3 months. In fact, that was April 11th. That was 5 weeks ago. So 5 weeks ago, this stock was up like a lot more than it is right now, right? So for me, a very simple guy, to me that makes a lot of sense that, hey, you know what? Why not buy the stock right now? It's obviously at a good price and I can get a return on my investment. Maybe not as low as I want to get it here at 223, the lowest it's been in 3 months, but still pretty low at 249. And I believe we will see highs again of 349 at some point. That's what I'm betting on. Why? Well, I got more evidence. Let me show you. Let's just scroll down more. Let's take a look at this carefully. Why it's got me whistling down the road. So, in the last month, lowest it's been is 240. I got in today at 249. In the last 3 months, the lowest has been is 221. In the last month, the highest has been is 290. I got in at 249. The lowest has been is 240. I got in at 249. In the last 3 months, the lowest has been is 221. The highest has been is 348. In the last year, the lowest has been is 40 cents, meaning it is currently up 525% on the year. It's a monster, but the highest it's been on the year is 395, which has got me whistling. So if I got in at 249, and the lowest it's been in the last 3 months is 223, and the highest it's been is 395 on November 16th. Where do you think this stock is going? Now let's read about this company, okay? Aurora Cannabis is a medical marijuana company. The company is engaged in producing and distributing medical marijuana, pursuant to the Marijuana for Medical Marijuana Purposes regulations. They are a licensed producer through Health Canada. That's true, 100% correct. They are a licensed producer through Health Canada. They are a licensed producer through Health Canada, okay? So, as a licensed producer through Health Canada, I believe that they are the next company that will be going to the TSX. You heard it here first. Mark this day down. May 19th, 2017. Mark this day on your calendar, people. This is the day that Richard was right. It is the day that I called the ACBFF, ACB in Canada, Aurora Cannabis, will be one of the next companies that goes on the TSX to graduate from the TSX venture, because it is a monster. And I'm going to show you now why I'm saying it is a monster.
And now you've got yourself something funky.
You ready? Now forget the fact that they are building an 800,000 square foot facility. And Aurora Cannabis, if you're watching, we would love to have you on our show. we would absolutely love to have you guys on our show. Tell your story. Stick out amongst the crowd. Get you back where you deserve to be, which I think is north of at least $8. It's true. I'm going to show you why. Now, my question is, are you guys ready for more evidence? Are you ready for more proof? Are you ready? I don't know if you guys are ready, because I was born ready. The question is, were you born ready? Because I'm just going to keep accumulating more wealth buying all of the Fab 15. Now remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Just because I'm buying the Fab 15 doesn't mean you should buy the Fab 15. I love the Fab 15 because I think we're 50 years ahead of our time. So I believe these companies are going to explode. And I think they're just getting started. Now let me show you why. I have evidence. Let's take a look on Monday, May 15th, what I read that made me want to buy this stock, okay? Let's blow this up so you, the people at home, can understand and see exactly what I'm seeing. So Aurora Cannabis on Monday announces their Q3 2017 results. What do they announce, you ask? Well, on the TSX Venture, ACB Aurora Cannabis announces strong revenue growth, increased revenue per patient. Construction of Aurora Sky proceeding on schedule. That's the 800,000 square foot facility that they're building. I heard it may be as big as 1 million square feet. Like, absolutely ridiculous. Let me actually shrink this down so you guys can read it better. There we go. There we go. So let's just read this. Can we read this together? Do you mind if I read this to you guys? So, Aurora Cannabis Inc., the company, or Aurora, TSX Venture ACB.VN, OTCQX, not QB, QX, which is a much better market than the OTCQB, guys. ACBFF. Frankfurt listing, which means they're also listed in Germany as 21P. And WKN. A1C4WM. Today announced its financial and operational results for the quarter ended March 31st, 2017. And what were they? Well, let's take a look. Operational highlights and recent developments. Revenues of 5.2 million. See what I see? I'm seeing chicken dinner. Ooh, yeah. I'm seeing turkey dinner. Do you see what I see?
And now you've got yourself something funky.
Chill on the music. Revenues of 5.2 million as compared to 0.2 million for Q3 2016. That is eye-popping. 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 ACB, ACBFF. I'm putting it on full alert. These guys quietly just went from 5.2 million in 2000 Q3 2016 compared to 0.2 million for Q3 2016. So the revenues are reflected in Q2 2017. So what they're saying is the revenues in the second quarter, which is the quarter right now, of 2017. Wow. Revenues of 5.2 million as compared to 0.2 million for Q3 2016. Q3 2017 revenues reflect 33.3% subsequential growth over Q2 2017, driven both by increased patient numbers and higher revenue per patient. The company's current sales pace exceeds 2 million per month. Aurora continues to execute well on all aspects of its growth strategy, including the construction of a state-of-the-art 800,000 square foot production facility, which I referred to earlier. This is just incredible. Aurora continues to execute well on all aspects, guys. So there is nothing wrong with this company. This company is meeting all of its targets, and it is building an 800,000 square foot facility. What do you think they're going to do with 800,000 square feet facility of marijuana to grow and research and study? It's just mind-boggling. So to be able to buy this stock at $2.49 feels like it's a dream come true for me. So do you guys really understand what this means for this company? Not only is this company building an 800,000 square foot production facility, it's going to be like an assembly line for marijuana. Understand that. It's a production facility for marijuana. A production facility for legalized medical marijuana. Understand. That's what it is. Do you think this company is not going to grow? Do you think this company is not still early? Don't you think we're still early at the ball game? Don't you think we got there early to the party? At $2.49 in Canada? I mean, man, it's just incredible. I absolutely love this company. The revenues are growing. Look at this. It actually shows the grams sold in their financials. Can you believe this? If you understand what this means, this is mind-boggling. This is their first quarter revenues of 2017. This is their second quarter revenues of 2017. This is the grams they sold in 2017 first quarter. This is the grams they sold in the second quarter. So don't you see? This number is only going to grow, and this number is going to get extremely large. And if you can load up and get a lot of this stock now at these prices at $2.49, my goodness. Did you just get yourself the tools of the gods? Look at this. They had $60 million of working capital available, which is cash, guys, in the first quarter. Now they have $126 million of cash to play with. $126 million of cash in the bank account. And it's at $2.49? Things that make you go, doesn't it? Sure got my attention. Does it get your attention? Because it has my full attention. And I fully intend to get more. I'd like to get as much as I can get. I think this is as close to a sure thing as you can find. They are licensed by Health Canada. They are building an 800,000 square foot facility, and they are growing every single quarter. Kenny, you got your fidget? How do you like it? Do you love your fidget? I should be getting royalties on that fidget. You guys probably wouldn't even know about the fidget if it wasn't for me. I should be receiving royalties on the fidget. In fact, we should be selling fidgets on Rich TV Live. I think we should. Now, fidget, if you guys go public, you guys got to call me. We'll go public. We'll buy stock in fidget. We'll own shares in fidget because we love the fidget spinner here on Rich TV Live. My kids have multiple fidget spinners. They got them all the time, playing with them. They can do all kinds of tricks. Go to their channels if you want to see the fidget spinner tricks. There's way more coming. My kids are talented kids, and they're pretty much already experts with that thing. I'm still just a rookie. I'm still just learning how to use my fidget spinner. But when I'm not using the fidget spinner, I'm studying and researching, looking for the next winner, which is going to put chicken dinner on the table, which is going to put some turkey on the table. And I just had to get me some Aurora Cannabis. After all, they have a license through Health Canada. They have an 800,000 square foot production facility. They've got tons of money in the bank. Everybody's throwing money at them. It's like a too big to fail scenario. Everything is working for them. Everything is running like a machine. It's up 500% this year. So I don't see anything wrong with this company. So that's why I had to put my money into them. Look at this. They have commenced sales of cannabis oils. Aurora Cannabis, if you guys are watching and you guys want CBDs, call me. We can work out some deals. We've got the best CBDs in the business, and our CBDs have 0 THC. Our CBDs are stamped, FDA approved, 99.4%. It's true. So we are becoming experts, and we have experts that will be on our show in CBDs. So we love what's going on here with your company. We love what you guys are doing. Continue the growth model. We now here, Rich TV Live, endorse Aurora Cannabis. In fact, Rich TV Live, Richard D'Souza, I'm now a shareholder. I know it's only 400 shares, but it's a start. And I am now a proud owner of 400 shares of Aurora Cannabis. Thank you, Aurora Cannabis. I am excited to be a part of your company. I'm excited to tell your story. And now, more than ever before, I believe, based on your financials, that you guys are going to be a huge success. I believe it. I believe it, and I see it. Kenny, send me your video, buddy. If you put it in the room, then you know. I'll be posting that. You know I'm posting that video, my friend. Good job, my friend. Now, what do you guys think about my purchase? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Do you guys agree with me? Do you guys see what I see with your eyes? Now, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for entertainment and education purposes. It's Friday. Have a nice weekend, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe. Visit Rich TV Live. Get the app. Join our community. If you have some winners, let me know. I want the people to win. We can all win together, can't we? But it's almost that time. I've shared with you another winner. Hopefully it leads to chicken dinners. Maybe some turkey. Maybe some octopus. Hopefully not rice and beans. Come on, Aurora. We're counting on you guys. That's Aurora Cannabis, people. Now let's take a look at what's going on in the markets. Still got an hour left. Look at the Fab 15. All in the green. with the exception of 2. Organogram, come on Organogram. OGRMF, OGI in Canada. And Zynarba Pharmaceuticals, ZYNE, at $18.75. All the rest are in the green. INSY up 4.84% at $12.79. GW Pharma, GWPH at $1.07, up 2.98%. HMLSF at $7.04, up 2%. CMMDF up 7.26%. Sorry, at $7.26, up 2%. Emerald Health TBQ BF at 88 cents, up 1%. Canopy Growth Corp TWMJF at $6.08, up 1.64%. Afira, I absolutely love Afira, guys. I was so close to buying Afira today. But I bought Aurora because it was in the red. I did. Just because it was in the red. And I was like, makes sense. I'm buying it in the red because everything else is in the green. And after I bought it, it went up. So that was good. So that was a little sniper move. But yeah, so I really like Afira Inc. at $4.27. APHQF. It's been as high as $8 in Canada. APH is a symbol in Canada. I believe it's at $5.60 in Canada. Somewhere around that price. I love the Chronos Group at these levels. PRMCF at $1.68. Only up 1% today. I love HMMJ. Obviously, I own it at a much higher price. I'm holding it long term. I'm not really worried. But I considered buying more of it today. Lower my average cost. I absolutely love it. But I'm not really worried. So I'll hold it long term. SMG, Scott's Miracle Grow at $88. Love it. Supreme Pharmaceuticals, SPRWF at $1.11. Don't love it out of all these stocks because they don't have their license yet. That's the one I've got a caveat on. So be careful with that one. I hope they get their license. Once they get their license, I think it will be 100% a buy. Okay? I'm watching for that. ICCLF, ICC International Corp. These guys are licensed in Uruguay. One of the only ones here. The only one here right now to have a license outside of Canada. So I believe that these guys are going to be a monster. I've got them on my radar. I'm very interested in buying them too. So the ones that I'm looking at buying right now, like the ones that I own in the Fab 15 right now are Canopy Growth Corp, TWMJF in America, WEED. I own Aurora Cannabis, ACB ACBFF in America. I own Organogram, OGI, OGRMF in America. And do I own any more of these? Right now? No, I don't believe I do own any more. And I own the HMMJ, the ETF. So I am slowly just accumulating as many of these stocks as I can have. And my goal ultimately is to have all of them. Just have them all in my portfolio and then just accumulate them over time. So that's my plan, and I'm going to stick to it. I'm also researching cryptocurrencies, and we're going to bring more information to you guys about cryptocurrencies. I have already a Ninja Trader account. I do futures trading. Drew is our expert at futures trading. If you guys are interested in learning about futures trading, please comment, subscribe, communicate with me, join us through the app. We can even create a special room for futures trading. And you know what, Mr. Katam? You should create a special room just for cryptocurrencies. It's actually a good idea. And we can put that in the app as well and have a cryptocurrency room within the app. And Dan, the IT guy, if you're listening, maybe that's something that we should do as well. So, guys, thank you for watching. Fab 15 is on fire. I just bought some Aurora. I'm very happy about it. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Have a lot of fun. Spend time with your friends. Spend time with your family. Have a relaxing weekend. But if you are researching, please send me a message. If you have a cool video, please share it with me. I may not share it on my #1 channel right now, on Rich TV Live, but I will share it on other channels because I'm planning on building all the channels together to build a massive community. So please, send me all your videos, send me all your content. I'll be sharing it on Musical.ly, I'll be sharing it on Snapchat, I'll be sharing it on Instagram, I'll be sharing it on Facebook, I'll be sharing it on other channels, and if it makes the grade, I will share it on this channel. I'm just testing, trying out, not putting as many videos on the channel, and really just focusing on the best content. And really just focusing on building a strong channel and a really good show for you, the people, that you can enjoy and you can learn and you can win. Because remember, if you're not winning, you're not watching. Ooh, yeah. I love me some Aurora Cannabis. What is it doing right now? What is Aurora Cannabis? It is up. It feels great to know on these evil streets that when the market is in the green and Aurora was down at 249, I sniped it with my level 2 market depth, like a sniper. And I'm up already. It feels so good. Thank you, Aurora Cannabis. Have a great weekend, everybody. Enjoy the long weekend in Canada. If it's a long weekend in America, have a great long weekend in America. I know it is in Canada. Everybody in Canada, have a great long weekend. Have a lot of fun with your loved ones. Make love, not war. Let's bring back the 60s, people. Make love, not war. We do not need to bomb. We do not need to kill anybody. We do not want nuclear war. We do not need to kill each other. Let's resolve this peacefully. Let's focus on the world's issues like Fukushima. Let's bring those real issues to light. And let's follow the light. It starts with you, the people. Together as a team, we are absolutely unstoppable. It's true. Now, what could I have for you today? I like to always leave you guys with something fun, right? How about this? Doom Squad, a Canadian group that I absolutely love, and I made some 420 videos of at the event. Are you ready for this? Listen to this. Ooh, yeah. I need me some chicken dinner. How about some turkey? How about some Doom Squad?
You ain't rolling through unless you roll it up. Yes, now we taking the ball lane. In Vancouver, if you in the building, you get the same. Put your hands in the air like you just don't care. Throw 20 in the air like I don't even know what it is. Ring it is, month it is, year it is. But I need to put it in places. I'm gonna get back to mine. Every time I hit the stick, I get back in line. I don't even know what day it is. Ring it is, month it is, year it is. But I hit the place and it's president. I'm gonna get back to mine.
I'm out.
Make some fucking noise, y'all, before we start that next one. Hey, how y'all feeling? You like the music so far? What? Should we keep going? Hold up. If we go by the name of Doom, released a new strain. This one's the ladies. Called Doom Kush. It's our
Doom Kush.
Shatter straight up fucking high shit right now. I can't even talk. We made a song just for Fido, so put your hands in the air and vibe to us like this. Let's drop that. We gonna go side to side. This is the nicest vibe right now. Thank God the sun came out, right? Yeah. Trippy night, trippy balls, but I hope that I can get it right. I'm feeling half-baked when I know I'm so rich. Dab on the email, don't need no road split. Oh shit, I'm gonna snow. You can burn a fatty, but I like just that purple smoke from the purple candy of the vital bag. Grab it, two. Pretty shitty mornings to a happy afternoon. Step into my world, imagine what you'll find. Magic green cracks, shadow on my mind. Take no play with fire. I believe in fire. It makes a bigger homie, I'm sharing all this time. 071 710 for the true damn answers. Not everyone know. All the bitches that get twisted. Whipping in the kitchen, I'll be sitting smoking, living in the kitchen. I felt this way, and sometimes, y'all, sometimes, make some noise if you're high right now. Oh my,